Hey guys, so first of all, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. The big reason is because, as you can tell from the background probably, is that I moved. It was extremely last minute. If I had known that we were going to be moving, I would have pre-filmed videos so that I didn't go 2 weeks, and I didn't even plan that it would take 2 weeks in order for me to film again, but the movers took like over a week for all of the furniture and things to get here. And then internet to get the internet hooked up here took like another week. It was just really awful, and I was crying because I just feel guilty. I was doing so good on my video schedule, uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I think I was doing that for over a month, and you guys really liked it. And then of course I found out we had to move, and that just went out the window. Ton of nail art tutorials for you guys coming soon, and DIY videos, and so much planned. Things that I had already been planning on uploading over the past 2 weeks that I obviously couldn't. So I'm gonna have a lot of videos coming for you guys, so get ready for that. If you wanna see my new apartment, I did do an entire like apartment tour, but empty apartment tour before all the furniture got here, and that's gonna be up on my vlog channel, Miss Jen Vlogs. I'll put the link below if you wanna subscribe to that channel, but that is gonna be up today as well. By the way, I didn't even say, I'm in Arizona right now. I have someone subleasing my apartment in California because that lease was not up, and I was like freaking out thinking I was gonna have 2 apartment leases like at the same time, and that would be extremely expensive. So someone is subleasing that right now while I'm not there. And I'm in Arizona probably for 4 to 6 months. I'm not entirely sure. We signed a very short lease here, but we might stay longer. I don't really know, honestly. Now I'm going to get into the Sephora VIB haul. Everything was 20% off, so I did buy, actually I didn't buy that much, but I feel like I spent a lot of money on things even though they were 20% off. It's things that like never go on sale, so I felt like I kind of had to get them because I know I would have been purchasing them anyway down the line, so might as well buy them now and get the 20% off type of thing. I think is one of the coolest things ever. It's this brush. It's just one brush, and after I ordered this I realized they have an actual brush set. And I'm like, oh, I should have got the set, but for some reason I only thought they had this one brush. But it's the Alex Batar for Sephora brush. The most gorgeous brush ever. It has like a clear acrylic handle and then this gold top part to it, and it is so soft. It's literally one of the softest brushes I've ever felt. It's just so beautiful. It comes with a beautiful little case that's magnetic. It's super nice. I don't know if you can tell, but it just kind of like closes on its own. And it's just so luxurious, and I'm really excited about this. The next thing I got, which I actually am going to exchange because I didn't realize something about this, but it's beautiful. It's this Prada Candy perfume set, which I'm completely out of my Prada Candy perfume, and it's very rare that I go through a perfume like completely, just because I have a lot of options and I like to switch it up and stuff, but I use this up very quickly, and I thought this set was so beautiful. The box itself, it has a bow, and it's a nice hard shell, and the bow or the ribbon is actually like glued to the lid, which is nice because you could actually use this as like a display box or something like in the future, because this entire insert comes out. I just think the box is so pretty. There was 2 different options for this set. This one, they both come with the full-size perfume and a lotion. Then there was one with a mini one, like a little mini bottle, or you could get like an actual full-size roll-on perfume, and I thought the mini bottle would be so cute, but it's not the kind of bottle that you spray. I thought it would be just like this one where you could spray it, but instead the top just pops off and then it's an open thing of perfume, and I don't like those kind of perfumes. I would much rather have the roller ball. I think this is so cute, and it would look so cute like sitting out on your dresser or something, but for me it's just not practical to have like the open bottle and then tilt it. I just don't like putting perfume on that way, so I'm gonna exchange this for the set that comes with the full-size roller ball. By the way, I hope I'm in focus. And I don't know how the lighting is also, so let me know in the comments if you think the lighting is good for this video. It's just so hard getting used to a new space to film in, and I hope I'm in focus. But okay, next I got 2 skincare little things. I got one set, which is this eye cream set. It was the same amount, it was the same price as if I had just bought the eye cream by itself, which is the full-size eye cream. And it comes with a miniature face cream, and I love this stuff. This is like my absolute favorite eye cream. It's the Caudalie Premier Cru eye cream set. And then I got the full-size Caudalie Premier Cru face cream. So I just got one of each, and I love this stuff so much. It's the only face cream I think I've used for, gosh, a couple years now. Well, on and off. I don't always repurchase it because it's expensive, but for the most part, like 99% of the year, it's what I use all year because it's just so good. Next, I got the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I've seen so many people talk about this, and this is the very first Becca product that I've ever purchased. It's absolutely beautiful highlighter. The formula on this is crazy. It feels like a creamy powder. It is so good. So I definitely see why people rave about this, and I want to try more products out. I was thinking of getting like the rose gold highlighter. I'm not sure what else to try out by this brand. If you know of any other things besides like these compact highlighters, if there's any other products by Becca that you think I should try, let me know in the comments below, but I'm super excited that I have that highlighter. It is beautiful. I actually put a little bit on today, but I don't know if you can even see it in this lighting. And I got this little VIB Rouge thing for free for reaching VIB Rouge. Yeah, so it comes with this little mini red lipstick, which is really nice. It's a gorgeous shade of red, but I actually think I'm going to save this for something that I have coming up on my vlog channel. I am going to be doing like 25 days of giveaways because I'm doing like a an advent calendar thing. It'll be on this channel, but the giveaways for the 25 days will be over on my vlog channel. And I think that this, because it's mini, would be a good prize for that. I also got this for free, which I thought was so awesome. They sent me one of those codes in email. It was like, if you enter some code, you'll get this for free, and it's a little YSL pouch. This was totally free. It's like a cloth material, and then it has like the gold YSL on it, and it came with this huge size sample of the YSL Fusion Ink Foundation, and I'm very excited to try this. It's a huge sample. I feel like this would be like months worth of foundation, so I might do a review on this, or maybe a first impressions because I haven't used it yet. But that was really exciting to get. So that was everything from the Sephora VIB 20% off sale that I got. I did go to the mall yesterday because I really needed hand cream. I went to the Aveda store. I figured I'd just show you in this video. I got the large size hand relief lotion, which is one of my favorites. My absolute favorite is probably the Caudalie hand and nail cream. I also love the L'Occitane one, the Shea Butter one, and then I also really love the Aveda hand relief. I think this one is a better value than the Caudalie one because you get more lotion. I definitely like to splurge on nice hand creams because when I'm taking photos or making videos of my hands really close up on camera, I just dread the thought of like having super dry skin. So I do splurge on super nice hand creams here and there, just because I feel like they actually do a better job. Then I also got this set, which is called the Little Relief set, and it just looks like this. And so you have one of them is the original scent, and then you also have two new scents, or at least they're new to me. One is a rosemary mint, which smells amazing, and one of them is a shampoo aroma, and they smell so good. I don't know if they make the full sizes in those two scents. I wish they did because it's just so good. They smell like a spa, and it totally takes me back to cosmetology school because when I was in cosmetology school, we used like mostly all Aveda products. So it just takes me back to that time, and it just smells like a luxurious spa, and I just love using any type of Aveda product. They're kind of expensive, but they work really good, and they all smell amazing. Hey guys, that concludes my Sephora haul. And oh wait, no, I actually wanted to show you guys one other thing that I got. Placed an order on the Berry M website for this particular nail polish shade because I have not found anything similar to this in the States, and I did have to order this. The shipping was kind of expensive, but I didn't care. Like, I wanted this color so bad. It's in the shade Mustard, which is from, I think, their fall collection, or I think it's their fall collection, but it's just the prettiest mustardy yellow shade, and I couldn't find anything similar in any store by any brand near me. And I even like searched online, I couldn't find anything. And while I was placing this order, I also bought another shade from that collection called Paprika, which is a really pretty kind of like burnt orange color. I thought it would just be really pretty for this time of the year. And then I have wanted to try this color for a really long time. It's called Arabian. It's called Arabian, I think. It's like a duochrome green blue color, and I thought that it looked really pretty. So I did order these 3 polishes as well. That concludes my little haul. I will be back very soon with tutorials. If you have any specific requests that you would want me to film for you guys, leave them in the comments down below. But I'm sorry about the 2-week absence. I promise, like pinky promise, to never go that long again without uploading a video. Like, I was actually sad. Like, God, I was getting super depressed. I was getting so many tweets and messages on Instagram, on like Facebook, like, where are you? Are you okay? And honestly, that made me feel so happy that you guys even like, first of all, noticed that I was gone and cared enough. And I'm sorry about that. So I promise to never go that long again. And I'm excited that, you know, the move is over and I'm dreading thinking about having to move again. So we'll see what happens, but thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and I love you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.